Hello, dear students. So in this video, I'll be explaining how to download and make use of the Adobe Scan to scan your documents and upload into your Google Classroom. Turn it into your Google Classroom. Okay. So first go to a Play Store, right, and search for Adobe Scan. So you will get the app, and as usual download and install the app. So since I have installed earlier itself long before, so you just open the after installing, open the Adobe Scan, and then you will have various modes: whiteboard, forms and document, etc., business card, etc. So I'll not explain about other things because the one which you're going to use will be document one, scanning the document and sending it. And So to make it more colorful, okay, I am just using some color book of my son. Okay, how to scan it and upload it, I'll show you. So first thing is, the beauty of this software is it automatically detects and it will capture the document, and you just need to hold for a while without any vibrations, and then automatically it captures and it will give you. And if you want, you can actually um, you know reframe it and you can continue, just do it continue, or you can also retake. There was earlier option, there was a retake option. Okay, and then you can go on scanning the documents. And actually speaking, I am taking the pictures in low light area. Okay, keep it for a while, hold steady without any disturbance, automatically it scans for you and take a picture. Okay, if you don't vibrate or keep it steady for a while, it will take the photo. And keep going, continue, you will get it. So the photos will be there here automatically. Likewise, you can share, take many as pages you like. Okay, just this way. Hold it steady. Or if you want, you can capture it also. Okay, so this way you capture all the images, and then otherwise if you don't want this, you can do retake. Okay, retake, and you can take the picture. Okay, directly also you can take the capture image. So this way you continue and finish the scanning. Then you click on the photos, and whatever editing you want, you can do it even now. It's now also. So you can reorder, you can change the order as well. Okay, you can move it from one to one. Okay, like this you can press, hold it, and move it like this. Okay, so that way you can reorder. And then what you can do is you can just click a tick mark, it will change. And if you want to rotate also, you can rotate. You just click here, rotate. So in right direction you rotate it, and again I'll just rotate it. So if you want to colorize, this is the one. Okay, magic color which was there in this cam scanner. Here you can do it. So you can make use of so many frames, I mean reformatted templates. Okay, and you can choose out of these things. Okay, there are only four things, but maybe in future you may get even more as well. Okay, so these are the things which you can make use of. And if you want to crop even now also, you can crop it after at the after scanning as well. Okay, and then in order to save it and send it, so just click save PDF. Okay, and in the initial stage, actually you will be asked to log in with your Facebook account, or so that screen was not there initially. After installation, it will ask for login. Either you can use any Gmail account, or you can use your Facebook account, or you can make use of the Apple ID as well. Okay, so out of three, anyone you can use. Actually speaking, this app can do more. Even this can recognize this text. You can explore that. Okay, it will text. It will recognize all the text, and you may copy the text as well. So you can make use of this and you can do it. But I think that's not required now. So go to share. So in order to share the your document, you can there can be three options. You can share the link where you will get only the link, or you can email the PDF link to people. Okay, so you can make use of this, and you can send it to your own email ID, to some other email ID, and then you can download it. And so the file will be there in the download thing, and that file can be turned into your Google Classroom assignment. Also, there is another option. Okay, you can click share here and share a copy here. So you can, so many options are available. Okay, you can WhatsApp it, you can Gmail it, you can save to your drive. So anything is possible. Okay, and you can that way you can share to your friends, or in your WhatsApp account also you can have it by sharing it. Okay, so that way you somehow you share to your email ID, download it and turn it into your Google Classroom, or wherever you wanted to turn in. Okay, so that's all from my end to share, make use of this Adobe Scan and submit your documents. Okay, thank you, students.